Hi everyone, my name is Anne-Marie, and this week's meditation topic is me who makes excuses and justifies myself. During my training and afterwards, I always felt like I had to defend myself when my bosses wanted to teach me something, new skills, or if I felt like they questioned my knowledge. I felt like I had to prove them how good I was, and also I was afraid that they would think less of me if I was anything else than perfect. Thinking back, I remember being like that for a long time, since childhood, and I used to blame it on my parents. Although I realized later that I had this in me. But it made it difficult for others to communicate with me. Thanks to this meditation, I understood that everybody's the same. It's hard for everyone to be humble and to accept criticism. But everyone has some things that it can improve and that they can learn. It's actually not going forward that can become problematic. This meditation method helped me feel a lot better about myself and about my progression as an individual. It relieved a lot of anxiety by removing that fear of what others would think about my imperfection. To my surprise, by accepting other people's comments and by acknowledging their point of view, they felt more at ease, and they showed me a lot of respect, and they started appreciating, collaborating with me a lot more. And that made things so much easier for everybody, including myself. And all of that came from getting rid of that false image that I had to be perfect and that I had to justify myself if I was not. So thanks for showing me that the others are merely a reflection of what I have in me. And with that, have a good meditation.